Hey guys, welcome back to Release the Craftin. Priscilla here with a little special share for you guys, an announcement. You guys, it's Hallowtines Day. That is a collaboration between myself and my good buddy April over at Pink Oddbird. We're doing a 7-day challenge of ephemera and giftable making for you guys to join in on, with the theme of Hallowtines, which is Halloween Valentine's together. I'm so excited for this, you guys. So excited that I harassed April into joining me, so you can join the both of us as we go through a week-long prompt of spooky, romantic fun. And I started out with these little freebies that are up on my website right now as you are watching this video. You can download these. They're sort of a journaling card, prompt, calendar, schedule, list, whatever you want to call it, thing. So each day gets a corresponding card, and then the information you need for that day is on the back. You can glue these together and have little tiny journaling cards that you can stick into your books, your journals, whatever, or you can just use the front page as your like fun freebie for your gothic-y romantical things. Projects, books, you know what to do with these. I don't need to explain how journaling cards work to you. They also make really great little Valentine giftables if you want to give someone a little spooky Valentine. We got you covered. That's up on my blog right now. But a little bit of a rundown. So we're making ephemera, giftables, fun sharing things that you can incorporate into your journals, or, you know, share with your friends if you want to spread a little bit of Hallowtines love. And so for day 1, the prompt is bat. Day 2, the prompt is spider. Day 3, the prompt is heart. Day 4, we're talking Cupid. And day 5, we're doing bones. On day 6, the prompt is candy. And day 7, we're capping it off with love. Because, of course, it's Hallowtines. You gotta have the love. And who doesn't love Halloween and Valentine's Day? So this, I just think, is going to be like a really fun, like silly little like goofy challenge to just sort of have something fun to do this Valentine Hallowtines season, and I'm really looking forward to it. I think you guys are really gonna love what we make for you. So join me on February 5th for day 1, and we're gonna go the entire week. It's gonna go from Sunday to Saturday. You'll have time to make along with us. Make some stuff in advance of Valentine's Day. If you do want to give this stuff out to some friends around you, you'll have some time to do that. And if you would like to join in the challenge, there will be a giveaway at the end. We'll be looking for people who have completed this using the hashtag I will put in the description below, so look there for all the relevant hashtagging information. I might pop it up on screen here with the magic editing, because I can't remember it offhand as I'm talking to you guys, so that's what we're doing. But yeah, if you join in the challenge, you have through the 12th to submit your completed projects, and then on the 14th we'll be announcing the winner and giving you guys a little prize for joining us and crafting along. So I hope you guys join in. I think it's going to be really fun, and like I said, we're making some cool stuff, so you guys just hang tight. It's going to be really fun. I hope that you like what we have in store and that you join us for the challenge. Even if you don't, check out the description box for that hashtag so you can follow along and see what everybody else makes. And that's all I'm going to say because I don't know what else to talk about. So we're going to wrap this up, and I will catch you guys all on the 5th of February, for the kickoff of Hallowtines, our week-long challenge. Until then, happy crafting. Bye!